Good morning and welcome to Brampton near Appleby. We're in a very, very pretty village, and if you look at the street scene down here, you can see this absolutely lovely linear village with a nice old country pub down the bottom. And we're here today to see Midtown Farm. Beautifully well renovated cottage, 3 bedrooms. You wait till you see the kitchen. It is biblical. But that isn't just it, because we actually have a barn next door that has full planning consent to be converted into another residence if you wanted to. My feelings are that you could maybe use part of this to, subject to planning of course, to extend the size of the house. I mean, the house is beautiful in size, but you could do with just that little extra space, you've got it here. Or knock it all down and have loads of parkings and garages, because there is a significant plot to the rear as well. Okay. So I'm going to show you as much as I can within this video, but I think we should start off by seeing what these vendors have created inside this amazing cottage. So brace yourself and remember what I said, epic kitchen, because I will not disappoint you. So let's come and have a look inside. You guys know I love period property. You come through a big old black door, you know that you're going to be seeing something special. So you come into this lovely hallway, which has got oak flooring. Through here is a dining, through here is the sitting room. But I'm going to do something I don't normally do. I'm going to take you straight to the kitchen because I love this. So follow all the way through here, because when I promised biblical, I actually meant it. This is incredible. Bifolds across here, looking out into the fantastic garden. But what a space this is. I mean, I don't know if you can pan right up, because it must be 4 meters tall. You've got that real feeling of space, but it's so light and bright. It's absolutely amazing. So anyway, I've got this bit out of the way. Let's go and have a look at some of the other rooms. So as you come through into the sitting room, it's a very nice, good sized space. Some lovely original beams, nice open fireplace with a wood burning stove. I can imagine it would be like toast in here in winter. But what a lovely space. The vendors in here have got, as you can see, have got a real sense of style, but even things when they did the refurbishment of putting on a kind of a more Victorian style radiators, just to give that little extra, you'll find throughout this entire build, or through this entire project, that everything has just been that little bit extra. So I'm just going to close that front door, but if we come through now into the sitting room, into the dining room, you've got a lovely big dining room. I love the paneling that's in here. Very in vogue at the moment. We've got window shutters, and I haven't seen a fireplace like this, but it's got a very 1920s kind of edge to it. Maybe a bit Art Nouveau, somewhere around that, but beautiful. And this paneling in this room gives a real sense of opulence, which this whole house has. Coming through into here, bag loads of storage, and we all like storage. And in here we have quite a nice size utility room, nuts and bolts of the house, gets everything where it needs to be. And my very good cameraman today is going to just show you that ground floor shower room, which, as we all know, when the kids come home, dump all their stuff down, this is the right space for it. Right, so I'm going to show you the outside space in a minute. Cool kitchen, hey? But we're going to go and have a look upstairs first. So the first thing, as you walk up here, big, huge double glazed window, and it's a wooden sash, so again, no attention to detail spared. This beautiful, big vaulted space. But I'm just going to get the cameraman to show you what a great bathroom. Fantastic tiles and excellent attention to detail. So we have 3 bedrooms on this floor, and I think we'll probably start off with this master bedroom, because we got a beautiful big room. There's some interest in here, but this window seat, and I'm going to get you to actually look out the window to the right, because if I was sitting on that window seat looking towards those fells, what an absolutely spectacular view. And in here, through this rather fancy arched door, which has got a bit of an ecclesiastical feel to it, is a wonderful bathroom. And check out those tiles. I mean, that is finished to the highest standard. So let's go and take a peek at the further 2 bedrooms. So feature filled, lots of beams, bits of openings here, there and everywhere, leads us through to the second bedroom. Again, a large bedroom, loads of space, plenty of features, window shutters, all of the above. I can wax lyrically about everything in here. But we have one further room to be able to have a look at on this floor, and that is another double bedroom with window seat overlooking those fells. Absolutely stunning. Now it's time for me to go outside, start talking about the garden we've got here and all the other things that you could potentially do with this property. So it's time to have a look at the outside space now, through these bifolds from that amazing kitchen. They've done such a huge amount of work, all these sandstone retaining walls, just to be able to make sure you have a really private, lovely area here. And then as we walk up these steps, you've got a nice, still private lawned area, but you also have all of this, which is a part of the barn that's next door and a part really of your garden. So this then begs the question. We'll put some plans online of the barn next door, but it's a substantial barn, over 3,000 square feet. It's got all the potential in the world to make it into another property. But for me, the way that these guys have done this, and we're actually going to look back this way because you'll see, I mean, there is no effort spared here. Everything has been done so well. A minor extension into this would make this even better. Or maybe you want to have an ancillary building where you could build something for your grandparents or for your kids or something for yourself to sell on at a later date. That's completely up to you. But we've got quite a significant garden space, full consent on a barn that's next door, a fully renovated build that's already done, that's, I hope you can agree, done to a phenomenal standard. What an unusual but amazing offering. If you are interested in this property at all, please do give us a call on 01768 881111 and we would be delighted to discuss this with you further. Thank you.